The COMELEC rules had initially stated at the outset, that there should be no notes or documents to be brought by the candidates during the debate. And so this was a standing rule that was not communicated to me. And about 4 or 5 days before this debate today, Congressman Toby called me up to ask whether the VP could bring notes. And in my earnest desire to make sure that all the candidates would be present, and not thinking that there was such a rule, I did say, I think so, of course. After which I had asked whether there was any rule on that, and I was not told that there was a rule. But now, Chairman Andy Bautista has said that this was a rule from the get-go. Because of this, all the other candidates, particularly Secretary Mar, has expressed his very strong protest against violation of this rule. The VP, of course, has said that he is already prepared based on my statement that it would be allowed. That was the reason for the impasse. Now, the VP has stepped forward with his notes, and I'm just going to have to turn over the mic to Governor John Vic Remulla. He will be the one to explain the VP side.
Just to clarify things, we had in the last 2 weeks asked permission and clarified the matter with Ms. Nucci if notes were allowed. And she did confirm that notes were allowed. So the VP had practiced the last 2 weeks under the assumption and under the diligence of the team to clarify with her. And she did say it was allowed. And 15 minutes before the start of the debate, we had been informed that it is not allowed. So that leaves us in a pickle here. Well, what to do? As much as everybody wants a debate to pursue, we feel that it is prejudicial against the Vice President for having been informed of what he can do, and at the last minute said that he cannot do the same. So I hope you understand, it's not meant against anyone in particular, but it is only meant in the interest of fairness that we accept that. Thank you.
We are here as your guests. Inibita po ninyo kami rito. Sinabihan nyo kami, ito ang mga patakaran. Itong mga patakaran na ito ay sinang-ayunan. Hindi lang na sinang-ayunan, ito ay nagmula sa COMELEC mismo. Nagmula ito sa Cagayan de Oro 1 month ago. 3-4 na meeting ang naganap sa pagitan ng lahat ng mga representatives ng mga kandidato. At no time, in fact, not only at no time was it said na magbabago ang rules, inulit doon na no notes ang pag-uusap. I think that the COMELEC will confirm that. Is that, can we get a definitive statement from Chairman Bautista? What are the rules? This is being held under the auspices of the COMELEC. Alam mo, hindi ito yung kodigo o hindi. Ang issue dito, are we a rules-based society or not? May patakaran ba tayo o hindi? Ayun lang yun eh. Di ba?
Excuse me.
I have the mic, sir. Excuse me. Kaya para sa akin, sundin lang natin kung ano ang patakaran ng COMELEC, ng proseso nitong mga
auspices. It is as if ito is controlled only by COMELEC. Hindi ho ito. This is a joint venture. Kaya ho ito, makakadesisyon ho pareho. Hindi ho ang COMELEC lang ang magbabanto. At gusto ko lang malaman, ano ba ho ang diferensya? Sila ho naghanda ng walang notes. Ako, dahil sa hindi, naniniwala naman kami na pwede. Biyernes pa ho ako nandito. Nagmailan ho ako mga dokumento na gusto ko ipakita.